Choose your region. After downloading the app, I'll select my region, which is my country. Next, you click on. Choose a plan that suits you. Then click on Buy Now. After clicking Buy Now, you'll see Confirm by clicking Buy More. View details at the bottom. After reviewing the details, click Buy More. Confirming the purchase activates your eSIM card in Airalo.
You don't have beard, you want to get same beard like me? Or you don't have eyebrow or hair? I'm the owner of one amazing brand. I help women and men forget eyebrow for women, hair or beard for men. So if you don't have anything else, go to my website, complicated.com. I can help you to get this one. I show you proof here. I had 0 beard and I get 1 beard in 3 months with proof. So let's do it now and be handsome, have trust and more happy. Let's do it.